So the next thing I'm going to do on this embroidery is work on this leaf here. And I'm going to do some long and short soft shading, like this leaf over here. I'm going to use these two shades of lovely bright spring green in here. These are Appleton's wools and this is linen twill. And the first thing I'm going to do is just some little lines on my design. This is going to help me get the angle of the stitches in the right place. So I'm just going to very delicately angle in some lines there. That's going to marry these stitches here. And then I need to define the outside space. This line here, my outside line. I'm going to do that with some split stitch. I've got my lightest colour. If we have a look over here, it's the lightest colour that's going to be on the very topmost edge, and that's going to cover most of the edge of that top design. So if I come in a little bit closer, we'll just focus on this leaf now. I'm going to do a couple of little starting stitches in the middle of my design because I know that this is all going to be covered up. Come up where my split stitch will start. And we'll just get rid of the knot there. I'm just going to take a little straight stitch. And then I'm going to make sure that stitch is right on the design line, and I'm going to come up right in the middle widthways and lengthways, and I'm splitting that stitch right across the middle. And then I'm going to take another little stitch, go down, again making sure it's right on my design line, and coming up with my needle right in the middle of the stitch to split it. Making sure that I'm following my design line exactly. I don't want to lose that lovely leaf shape. Just a little bit. I've got a nice point up there. I don't want to lose that. I'm going to make sure that my split stitch stays right on that line. Push it over so it doesn't get too clumpy. Go right up into the point there. And then my needle, come up right into that point. And then I'm going to take my split stitch down the other side. I'm going to go all the way down